How to turn off background apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off background apps on Windows 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, if your PC feels slow and you want to save battery and reduce CPU and RAM usage, then what you can do is you can just open the settings app. And now here, once you're inside the settings, just look at the left hand sidebar and there you can just click on apps. And now here in this section, just click on installed apps, and after that on the next page it will show you a full list of the apps that are currently installed on your PC. Now here you can simply scroll through the list, and after that you can just click on the three dot icon beside it, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap or click on the advanced option, and after that on this page if you scroll down there you'll see the option labeled as background app permission. So here you can just click on the drop down menu, and there you can set this option to never or power optimized as well. And once you do that, Windows will manage it automatically to save power. And with that, what you can do is you can just go back to the install apps and repeat these steps for any other app that you want to restrict. And with that being said, disabling unnecessary background apps can significantly improve the performance and battery life in laptops. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.